Okay, am I audible to everyone? Any noise is getting from my end or everything is fine and clear?
Yeah,
Clear,
clear,
sir.
sir.
Sir, everything is fine, sir.
Okay, fine. So coming to the today's class, I'm been going to be teach about okay, like I'm been going to be teach. I'm been going to be teach about these development classes. So under the development, so what are the topics which we are covering? So how the development is been helpful. So even we have a configuration why we are going to the development. Any prerequisite are there for development, or you don't need any prerequisite. If you are started from the scratch, also you can develop or not. Okay, like let's design the hello world program also in today's class. Okay, everyone is okay for today's class.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Salesforce development will design using Apex programming. Okay, the coding is Apex programming. Okay, Apex programming. Okay, previously we built an like the application which is nothing but previously which application we built?
Ace recruitment
Educational
agency, sir.
application. Yeah, educational application. Inside that education application, we use the hiring manager object, candidate object, like different types of objects. Okay, the same thing. Let's continue for development. Also, we can use that appropriate object. Apart from this, we also use account contact opportunity for our educational application, whatever it may be. And let's design each and everything appropriately. So coming to this here, don't require any. I mean that you don't require any prerequisite. You don't need to study anything. I mean that you don't need to have previous prerequisite. Okay, to study this Apex. Okay, so let me try to divide the information into module wise. Okay, like first of all, I designed all basics of Salesforce. Okay, inside the all basics of Salesforce. Okay, inside the all basics of Salesforce. I'm saying again, whatever the things which I'm teaching, okay, it's not being useful in the real time. What are the things which I'm teaching? It will be helpful for your real time things. Like in future, I'll discuss about triggers and asynchronous program. Directly, if I went to triggers and asynchronous programming, SOQL and SOSL, you cannot understand anything. That's why I'm starting with this prerequisite after learning all these points one by one. Like minimum, it may take 2 weeks. Okay, then you can go to the SOQL and SOSL. Then actual development will be going to be started. I'm saying again to everyone. Okay, so coming to all basics of Salesforce, I use it to teach about. So first of all, basics of Apex programming. Okay, and let me try to start with for loop. Okay, while loop, do while loop. These are the basic things. Okay, because some of the from non-native background, definitely if they face the difficulties, here you can learn completely. Okay, if statement, and if else statement, and switch statement. Okay, these are all the things, etc. These are all the things which we are learning with different types of programs. Okay, and also let me try to discuss about arrays. Okay, but here we will not use arrays, but I'll discuss. Okay, then collections is most important one. Okay, inside the collection, so let's discuss about list, set, and map collection. Okay, like with the different examples. Okay, I'll discuss with different types of examples after so these basics are very important. Even you are from any backgrounds, you are from non-IT, IT, or any background, these basics are very important. I'll teach each and everything. Okay, with your a good understanding, definitely you'll get a good understanding on all the things. After completion of this, I'll start with OOPS concepts. Like in other programming language, OOPS concepts are very important. But here, OOPS concepts are not that much of important here. I'm saying again, OOPS concepts are not that much of important. I'm saying again. In other languages like Java, Python, OOPS concepts will take a major role. But here, OOPS concepts are not important. Under the OOPS concepts, we have class, object. I'll discuss each and everything with different examples. Encapsulation, polymorphism. Okay, class, object, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction, wrapper class, interface. Okay, like this. We have different types. Inheritance. Anyone know about OOPS concepts? What is the full form of OOPS? Anyone know?
Ob-
Because it is a common for
object
each and every
orient
programming language. Yes,
object
please continue.
oriented programming language, sir.
Yes, it's correct. Object-oriented programming language. It's nothing but OOPS concepts. Yeah. 1 minute team. Now I came back. Object-oriented programming language is nothing but OOPS concepts. What is OOPS? These are the things I'll explain. Don't worry, everything. I will explain you what are the things are essential. Everything I'll take some examples. Okay, like I'll explain one by one. Pinpointed each and every explanations are there definitely. Okay, don't worry. Even you don't have any coding knowledge also. I think here anyone from non-IT backgrounds? Anyone from non-IT background?
Yes, sir. Yes, Venkat.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. What about Vishal?
Sir, I belongs to IT, but I don't have enough coding knowledge.
Okay, no worries. No worries, Vishal. We'll teach you the better way. Okay, we'll train you in a better way. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, after the completion of OOPS concepts, let me try to teach the exceptional handling. Okay, there are different types of exceptions are there. In interviews also, I'll tell you which questions are asked also. List exception, DML exception, and we have query exception, yes, object exception, and also we have custom exception. Like this, we have different types of things. Okay, like let us explain. Like like every exception, I'll give examples. Every exception. Okay, null pointer exception. Every exception I'll give the with the different types of examples. Don't worry, definitely you'll get some good hands-on idea. Definitely on each and every topic. If you practiced on the flow, whatever I practiced, the same day you need to practice means definitely you'll get a good idea. Okay, if you did not practice it. For example, today I'm teaching exception handling. You're practicing all basics of Salesforce. Definitely, it's very difficult. Vishal, are you listening my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then SOQL and SOSL. It is important. Okay, actual Salesforce topics will be started from here. SOQL is nothing but Salesforce Object Query Language. Okay, I'll discuss about different types of things like order by, where class, limit. Okay, select like this. Let's discuss each and everything. Okay, and let me try to explain the DML statements. It is very important. Like we have insert, update, upset, delete, undelete, merge. I'll take with different types of examples. How we are receiving from the back end, how it is accepting the input, whatever it may be, which is coming from the front end, how the structures are used to be. Okay, this is our LWC component. This is our development, and this is our admin part. LWC component is sending to development, and development is inserting that particular data to admin by using these DML statements. Okay, list of accounts or list of contacts or whatever it may be. Okay, this is the thing. Here we have so many topics and I will explain each and everything. And we have database class methods. Okay, like here also same database.insert, database.update. But everything is not required. I'll tell you which things are required. Okay, which things are required, I'll tell you. Please concentrate more on that and practice other things also simultaneously. And now I'll start the actual very important topic, which is a triggers. Here, anyone attended the interviews previously before these classes, Salesforce interviews?
No.
No, sir.
Like I'm saying again, I'm saying again to everyone, whenever you are attending the interview, every interview, they will ask some one coding question which is from triggers. Okay. In every interview, either you are a senior architect also, they will ask one coding question on trigger. They will not ask up to high mark. Okay. They will ask some minimum level. Okay. That's it. Try to concentrate more on these triggers. Triggers are somewhat tricky, but if you face a difficulty, don't worry. See the video once again and practice it. Like we have trigger context variables. Okay. Trigger events. Best practices of triggers. Okay, directly if you went to triggers without explaining all these things, you'll feel that coding is very, very, very difficult. If I explain all these things, if you practice me, then you'll feel coding is easy. And again, I'm mentioning another point. No developer is used to write each and every point of code from here on. They will take the help from code, from the Google. Even if they take any help from the Google, also some people don't know how to understand the code. Okay, from these classes, what's the main thing? Okay, even you can develop your code from your own, and even you can take the Google. If you've taken the code from Google, where you need to modify exact things. Okay, how to understand the code, each and everything you learn. No developer is used to write everything from their scratch. Okay, they can take from the Google app. Even if they taken from the Google app also, you need to understand the code, and you need to know where you need to apply the changes as per the requirements of the client. That is the thing I'm saying again to everyone. Okay, so I'll explain different types of trigger examples, different trigger use cases. I'll explain, like whenever if any contact is created, sending email notifications automatically by using email programming. I'll explain, no worries. Okay, not only this, different use cases, it will covers your interview, whatever it may be. Definitely it will be very helpful for you. And order of executions of trigger. After completion of this, I'll go with asynchronous programming. I will ask you one question. Okay, we are dealing with single amount of records or lakhs of records in real time.
Lakhs of records.
Okay, but due to some governor limits limitation, only we can handle single amount of records. To overcome this disadvantage, asynchronous programming has been came into existence. Okay, if you did not know SQL query on for loop, all these particular things, directly if you practice the triggers and asynchronous programming, you'll feel that coding is like average peak. Okay, if you practice the flow, for example, if I teach you something, the same day if you finished all these particular things means, then you'll think that coding. Okay, you can practice easily the coding and you can achieve easily the things. Anyone here from the class have a fear on the coding? Spandana, Divya, Priyanka, Vishal. Yeah, I listen from so many people. So many people that the coding is very difficult or like that. Anyone have any fear like that? Anyone have any fear?
Sir, I have, sir. I already said to you.
Yes, of course. I seen that. I seen that so many people have the fear on the coding or whatever it may be. Yes. Okay, like I'm saying again to everyone, the practice makes. Uh, I'm saying again to everyone, if you practice developments, definitely you'll not face any difficulty in the coding. That is the thing I want to convey to everyone. Yeah, everyone. Priyanka, you have any fear like that?
No, sir.
Pratimesh. Okay, yes, good. No worries. If you have fear also, it will be done by practice. Because no developer can design. Even we know we have help of Google and we have a help of ChatGPT. Okay, if you know all the things means you can develop the things easily. Okay.
So these all come under SOQL, sir.
No, SOQL is a separate topic and triggers. These are all the things a different topic. Okay.
And then
If you know
what is
SOQL and
SOSL, sir?
Salesforce Object Search Language. Okay, like in real time, we'll not use any SYSL. Okay, we'll use only
Okay.
SOQL only. Okay, but I'll teach you SOQL, SYSL also. Only one query is there. Okay, for SYSL, SOQL, so many things are there. In real time, we'll go with SOQL. We'll not use any SYSL.
Okay, sir.
Like we have batch apex, schedule apex, feature method, queuable, schedule, like. But these are all the things I'll explain with multiple types of examples. Anyone know that, like for example, if you did not paid any EMI, okay, before the notifications or whatever it may be, you'll get some notification that you are not paid EMI, like that. Anyone observed that? Kindly please complete your EMI or whatever it may be. Okay, because HDFC Bank, we have lakhs of customers. How the lakhs of people will receive the notifications? How it is possible? They can schedule it by, first of all, they will create the batch apex. After that, they will schedule. Okay, after that, they will schedule it by using schedule apex. Okay, it is very important. Kindly please concentrate on this also. Yeah, it's a good point to note down, everyone. Yeah, please do it after completion of this. Yeah, I'll take multiple examples. Don't fear on this. Multiple examples, multiple use cases. Multiple use cases will be covered. Will be covered, and also assignment also will be given regularly. And assignments also will be given. Okay, regularly I'll give the assignments also. Okay, VF pages. Nowadays VF pages are not been using. It is an older approach. Okay, presently we are following with LWC only. Okay, I'm saying again, presently we are following with LWC only. VF pages is a 2010 framework we are not using, but I'll explain. Okay, I'll explain with different use cases. Okay, presently VF pages are not being used in the current market standards. I'm saying again to everyone, but I will explain because maybe they will not use. At least you need to know some basic understanding. Okay, I'll explain you. Okay, with different use cases, then you can get some good understanding. After completion of this, I'll design the test classes. I will ask you one question. Anyone can please answer. Okay, for example, you developed some codings. Okay, after developing the coding, whether it is working fine or not, we need to test ourselves or not before deploying.
Yes, sir. We need to.
Yes, sir.
Vandana and Divya,
Yes, sir.
what
We
about
need
your
to do.
answer?
Yes,
Definitely, we
Venkat.
need
Yeah,
to
we need to
deploy.
test however. Yeah, that's true.
Definitely, we need to deploy. It's correct. Okay, so we need to create a test classes. Okay, for triggers and asynchronous programming batch. Okay, we need to create a test class and we need to get minimum 75% of code coverage. Then only it should be. Okay. Yeah, just kindly please note down these points, each and everything. It's important. Then after completion. Okay, and I will explain about real-time use cases. After completion of this, I prepared real-time use cases on triggers and asynchronous programming. Yeah, I'll explain. Okay, like I prepared. Okay, just I copied it to notepad the file. I'll give the high understanding. Okay, then you'll get easily because we'll give you use cases and assignment answers, everything here. Okay, I'll give the high level understanding here. Then you'll get like in insurance project how that triggers, in the banking project how that triggers. You'll get some high level understanding on this. Yeah. After completion of all this, interview question integration. Integration, I'll discuss about introduction to integration. Okay, JSON parser, JSON generator, and next another thing is like we have REST API. Under REST API we have get method, set method, post method, put method, patch method, and delete method. and we have integrating with external APIs. Like for example, if the information is not sufficient, integrating with external API, like postal API, okay, weather map API. If I explain one thing means you can integrate easily with any of the API. Okay, SMS API. I'll explain you postal API. Just only you need to change the endpoint URL. I'll explain you. Then you can design any of the things from your own. And another thing I want to convey, OAuth authentication. Okay, integrating Salesforce with any of the external systems easily by using this process. I'll explain you, no worries. Yeah, after completion of all these things, I'll discuss interview questions as like admin part, whatever it may be done. Then after completion of LWC classes will be started. Okay, this is the complete agenda.
So
Anyone have any queries?
this integration also comes under developer only, sir.
Development only. Yes, integration also will be comes under development only. Yeah, but in real time, so we'll get mostly these triggers asynchronous program, but we'll not get every time integration in our project. Okay, maybe
Sir.
sometimes just you need to learn. It should be better. That's
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay, you need to
Okay,
learn.
sir.
Anyone have any queries? Spandana, Divya, anyone have any
Sir,
queries?
one doubt.
Yeah, please.
Sir, in Salesforce developer, we will learn types of clouds, advantages of Salesforce. What is cloud computing? We'll learn in upcoming classes, sir. It is cover in this only.
Vishal, Vishal, you joined first hour admin classes or not joined?
Sir, joined, sir. I joined.
Then I covered there. Why again? Because we completed 1 month, Vishal. We learned so many things in Salesforce. What is Salesforce? What are the advantages of cloud computing? Again, what's the use
Sir,
of
I
teaching
I
again?
asked whether this covered in developer. I asked, sir.
No, Vishal. Like when we are introducing the sales, so then I'll cover it. In this development, not needed all these particular things. Okay. Now the
Okay,
our
sir.
main point is we need to concentrate on the coding. Okay, coding and how we need to develop our skills. That is the thing. Previously,
Okay,
like before learning the sales, I teach all these things, Vishal. Okay.
okay, sir. I confused, sir.
Okay. No worries, Vishal. I can try to understand. No worries. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Here our main agenda is to learn the coding, Vishal. That is the thing. Not
Okay,
more
sir.
upcoming. Okay, you need to learn. That's it. On your skill, whatever it may be, you need to learn. Don't think that like high level coding in real time also no one have a high level coding. If it's 3,000, 4,000 lines also, no one will write from their own. I'm saying again to everyone. You need to know how to use loops, how to use SOQL queries, how to design SOQL queries, how to design the triggers. If you did not learn all these things directly, if you went to job, it's very difficult. Okay, if you learned all these particular things, whenever you got, even you go to Google, you'll get some answer. Then you can take that appropriate code, and here you can modify it as per the requirement. Sometimes you'll get the same code. Okay, like that. Yeah. Any queries? Sandeep, Prathimesh, Spandana, Divya. Any queries?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
Ankit.
Okay, fine. Okay. Prathimesh, any queries?
Uh, no, sir. No.
Hmm. Good enough. Okay, is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let us creating. Everyone able to see the developer console?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everything I taken screenshots. Okay, don't worry, everything I taken screenshots. Here also. Here not needed so many screenshots as like a previous. As like previous, we don't require that much of screenshots here. Okay, previously we read so many screenshots while we are learning. Here, no need of that much of screenshots here. I'm saying again. Okay, everything I mentioned, mostly whatever it is required, everything I mentioned in a single word file. Okay, it is loading. Everyone able to see? Open the developer console. Okay, this is the screen I'll given. Okay, I mentioned
Yes.
everything. Click on file, click on new apex class. Okay, just I'm designing hello world. How the structure, okay, I'll tell you. Okay, just public class, some syntaxes you need to try to memorize. I'm saying again to everyone. Okay, public static void, okay, method name, some syntaxes you need to try to memorize. Then only, like for example, if you take a mother tongue, okay, like just imagine, like for example in Telugu, okay, like I'm getting, like for example, you are you need some water, okay, like నాకు water కావాలి, there are some syntaxes are there. Okay, for example, if you go to English, I need some water, like this. Okay, there are some syntaxes are there, then only compiler can understand. Okay, this is the structure, this is the structure you need to try to understand. Public static void method name, yeah. Okay, like everything will be covered, just take the structure, yeah. Inside this method I need to write all the logics.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes, please.
Sir, you wrote here public static word. For beginning of the first letter should be capital or small, sir.
Not like that, not like that, Vishal, not like that, it's anything. Okay,
Okay, sir. I remembered in when my undergraduation, first letter should be capital. If you write like that, we will get errors.
no, see, now you are getting error,
No, sir.
capitals.
No.
Okay, see, if there is an error means immediately problems. Okay, again I'm keeping small letters here, it's a case sensitive. Okay, you can keep anything, I think you learn in Python. Yeah. Okay, so here we need to use a system.debug statement to print the data. System.debug. Okay, click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Okay, click on execute. It's an execute anonymous window. You need to write here, you need to call the class name dot method name. Then only the code will be executed. Then you will get the output. You can able to see. It is sending request to server. See, everyone able to see it is loading. Click on debug only. Then only you'll get the output. Is everyone able to see I'm getting output? Hello world, I'm learning Apex programming.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just you need to click on debug, open execute anonymous window, class name dot method name. Okay, you'll not, because you need practice, this is your first class, don't feel fear by seeing all these things in first class. Click on open log, enable the checkbox, then execute it. Yeah, I'll mention this word file, but don't try to execute all the things. Whatever the things which I teach, execute only that particular things. See, you need to enable the debug mode like this. Everyone is seeing the things, everyone
Yes,
is
sir.
understanding what I designed. Spandana,
Yes,
Nandita,
sir.
Yes,
everyone.
yes.
Yes, sir, following.
Yes,
Vishal,
Venkat. Yes,
Sir,
yes.
yeah.
one.
Yes, please.
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah,
Uh, how to compile the code and how to find the errors.
yeah. Errors will be tracked here. Okay, in the problem section. Okay, like whenever you
Okay,
got
sir.
some error, immediately it will be enabled as a red color.
Okay, sir.
Okay, when we saved the code, see, I'm getting red color. Means here I missed semicolon. See, missing semicolon. Okay, so compile the code. Now only I shown compiling the code. Okay, debug, open, execute anonymous window. You need to write class name dot method name. Then the code will be compiled and you'll get an output. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anyone have any query on this Apex class? Anyone
No,
have any
sir.
query?
It would be so easy if run is there, apart from taking 2 to 3 steps.
I did not got
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, like in other languages, we have run no, sir.
To execute
RUN
the
run.
code,
Yeah,
It
yeah.
is so
It's
easy
easy.
actually.
simply just one
Really,
step.
yeah, really it's easy. Yeah. Yet the coding are also very easy as compared to other languages. Okay, that's why even I can because I am also a little fear in the coding. Okay, like because of this coding only I can able to do the coding. Yeah. Even I'll take from the Google. Frankly speaking, as a like even I'm a senior developer, I'm an architect. I also take the code, but I use it to know where I need to modify it exactly as per the requirement. Where I need to suggest to the junior developers and senior developers by seeing the code. That is the thing I use it to maintain the standards. Yeah, because everyone will take it, but you need to know how to write the code. That is a particular thing. Okay, you can see that even you can take some of the people 3 years experience or 4 years experienced, they're keeping some experience, and they are saying that even frankly speaking that they're 3 plus they're keeping. Okay, even he's a fake candidate also, I can agree completely. Okay, but he's not writing a single line of code. How the interviewer will select? At least if they return the code means okay, even he's not a genuine candidate also they will select it.
Yeah.
Okay, if they're not
Yes, sir.
writing any code, why they will select? Because
Yeah.
every employee, okay, they will think that okay, when they are selecting the candidate, some things they need to get, then it should be fine. Okay, one person recently I interviewed. Okay, the things whatever it may be, like okay, he returned, he tried everything, but it's somewhat mistaken. But I sent him to L2. Why? The reason is yes, he's doing independently. At least he's doing. Just when I'm asking the code, he's writing. He's not writing as a dummy codes or whatever it may be. He's writing at least in between little bit mistakes. I can completely agree, but he's writing. Okay, from his own. That's the spirit I observed from him. Yeah, that's why even in interview also same. Even you can take some of the people are completing the training, they're not writing, they don't know how to write a single line of code system.debug also. They're saying that Salesforce is very difficult. Of course it's difficult, any language it is difficult if you did not write any single line of code. If you practiced then it should be easy. Everyone will agree with my point. Either Python, Java, .NET, any languages, if you practice then only the difficulties will become easy. Everyone will agree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
And another point I want to highlight, and so many people will think that coding is difficult. Okay, if it's a configuration, every step you need to do it. Okay, every step you need to do it. You need to go to that Salesforce and you need to do it either in any other tool also. If it's a configuration, if it's a coding means just you can go to the Google and you can copy the code and you can paste it and you can modify it as per the requirement in between. It's completed. User story is completed. That is a difference in between the code and these things. Yeah. Configuration means everything we need to do it. Everything. 100% we need to implement in our org. Then only we'll get it. Yeah. In future you will get to know. Yes. I observed this two things. Yeah.
Sir, even if we don't know something, we'll try take the help of Google, right? And even then, were unable to debug or unable to
Divya.
locate where's
Yes.
the mistake.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then in that position, how could you correct the code like that?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Divya, like if you did not implemented anything, okay? Frankly, if you did not implemented anything, no developer will help you. If you implemented something, you'll get help from some other developers definitely in the company. Okay, you can then they will identify it. You can help to someone and they will help you. It's like a teamwork, Divya. You got my point? Definitely we'll get the resolution. Yeah. At last, our
No,
main goal
sir.
is to complete the
I'm
task.
not asking that. My question is different. నేను ఏమంటున్నానంటే ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏదైనా రాకపోతే కోడ్ మీరు చెప్పారు కదా గూగుల్లో హెల్ప్ తీసుకొని చేయాలని. ఈవెన్ గూగుల్లో హెల్ప్ తీసుకొని చేసినా కూడా మనకు ఒక్కోసారి ఎర్రర్ రావచ్చు. సమ్ టైమ్స్ అది ఎక్కడ అనేది కరెక్ట్‌గా రాదు కదా! ఇప్పుడు మాకంటే మీరు చెప్తారు ట్రైనర్‌గా ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి. అదే మనం ఆ డెవలపర్ పొజిషన్‌లో ఉన్నాక అప్పుడు ఎట్లా సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవాలని అడుగుతున్నా.
Of course, yeah, that is a good point. Okay. So here, what is the error I got? 1 minute. Okay, I'm missing the semicolon. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you. Good question. What is the error I got? Divya, what
You
is error
missed
I got?
one letter.
Yeah, variable
Okay,
does not
yeah.
exist.
Okay, copy this error.
Okay.
Go to Google. You got it? Like this, you'll get
Yeah.
the things. Okay, exact things you can track it like this. Okay. Yeah. Based on the experience, you'll get it, Divya. That's it. I want to convey. Yeah. Because everyone will feel difficulty in every programming, either any configuration also. Based on the experience, you'll get the things. That's it, Divya. Like based on the practice, you'll get the things, Divya.
Yeah.
You need to copy this particular error and you need to go to there. You can search in the Stack Overflow. Copy that particular error and try in the Google. Okay. What are the errors
Okay.
you got? Yeah. Hey Google, I got this error. Please help me. Then whatever the exact error in the problems it will get, then we can track that particular errors.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Don't worry, Divya, you'll get it. Like we are in the starting now, we'll get it definitely.
Sir, Apex class in the sense it's a normal class only, right?
Normal class only. Yeah.
Public class,
Just
class
Apex.
name, that is the
Yeah.
thing, right?
Same. Yeah. Because we are using Apex programming, Apex class. Java programming, Java class. Python programming, Python class. Like that. That's it. Nothing.
Okay.
Let us see some more things.
Sir,
Okay.
one
Today's
doubt.
our first. Yeah. Yes, please.
Sir, మనం ఈ సి లాంగ్వేజ్ జావా
Please speak in
దానిలో
English. Please speak in English. Everyone, please speak in English. Okay, you are building your
sir,
conversation skills.
if we log in, if we write a code in command prompt in other languages, C or Java, C++, we are writing this code in Apex. What is the difference between that and this?
Vishal, I will ask you one thing. Like, why the client is preferring Salesforce? What's the use? Even we have Java now. Can you please mention this answer? Why the client is preferring Salesforce? Even we have Java now.
Sir, I
Can you
don't
please
have sir
differentiate
answer.
why? Why any reason? Because I'll find out.
Sir, I don't have that answer, sir, with your
You
question.
don't have answer. Why any reason?
I think, sir, actually, this concept is new to
Yeah.
me.
Yeah. No.
While
It is a
teaching,
new. No. It is new completely. I can agree. But this question is common
while
because
teaching,
I
while
told you.
teaching, I getting different questions and different ideas.
Yeah.
What is
Yes.
going on?
Yeah,
That
Vishal,
is the
I'm
main
asking
issue.
single question. Like we completed admin. Okay, I told some advantages of Salesforce. Priyanka, like we have other technologies also. We have a Salesforce. What's the advantage
So we
if you use
can
Salesforce?
access this from anywhere, and we need not purchase it, and we will pay it on rental basis, sir. We don't purchase any software,
Okay,
and we will pay it as per
with
the
time,
usage.
with less time, we can develop the things.
Yeah, yes, sir. With less
Vishal,
time, we can develop the things.
Vishal, listen the things. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And it's also a cloud based, so we can
Yes.
access through internet anywhere from the part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Listen the points, Vishal. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
These covered. Okay, the thing is
Yes, sir.
okay. Yeah, Vishal, like in Java we can develop. They had provided command prompt. In Salesforce they had provided developer console. We are developing the codes there, Vishal. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Because every
I
platform has their unique things. Okay, like to develop the things. Okay, like HTML, CSS and JavaScript, there is the Visual Studio Code. If the same thing, if you want to develop in developer console, it's not possible. Yeah, because C such as a developer like that. That is the thing. Salesforce developer console, if it's a LWC, Lightning Studio, Visual Studio Code, like that. Okay, Java they are using compiler, or even they are using without using compiler also it is possible, Vishal, by using Eclipse. You know Eclipse, Vishal? Eclipse.
no, sir. I don't know, sir. I
Eclipse is also one of the software. By using that, we can develop the things. Yeah.
okay, sir.
In real time, we'll not use command prompt in Java. We'll use Eclipse to
Okay,
store
sir.
all the codes, everything. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. No worries. Yeah. Try to analyze and understand. In Salesforce, we are using developer console to develop the codes. That's it. Nothing other than that, Vishal. Okay. In Java, we are using command prompt and Eclipse. In Python, we are using command prompt and PyCharm something like this. Every platform has their unique platforms to develop their things. Salesforce have these particular things to develop. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Vishal, like I'm saying again, Priyanka, Divya had told some points. Again, tomorrow I'll ask you. Try to memorize.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So just I'm verifying here you are increasing your memory skills and you are increasing your communication skills also. Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Everything you are learning, not only this subject, everything we need to learn from the training. Yes. And interaction with someone. It's also an important.
Sir, sometimes I difficult to ask the question, sir.
Even if it's a difficult to ask the question, also try to speak in English. Because if you're
Okay,
speaking
sir.
in Telugu, no worries, I'll tell you English and answer. Okay, no problem. In future, after completion of 2 months, you are searching for the job. Then who will face struggle? Definitely, you are facing struggle. Yeah, I
Yes,
don't
sir.
need
Yes,
my
sir.
students to face struggle. Yeah, in
Yes,
every
sir.
situation. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
try to answer. Try to speak in English. Yeah, that is the thing
Okay,
I
sir.
want to convey. If you speak in English, your English skills will be improved. Okay. Yeah. Okay, team. Any other questions? Like, can I start other topics in the development or can I start? Just I thought that today introduction on Hello World program. Can I start today other things? I hope, like I designed some curriculum. Tuesday, tomorrow also there is a class. Okay, tomorrow also there is a class. I'm saying again to everyone. Tuesday, today is a Monday,
Okay,
Tuesday,
sir.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, Saturday no class. Okay, Saturday no class. If tomorrow there is a class, tomorrow there is no class, means Saturday there is a class. But I'm keeping at least 1 hour. Is it okay? Spandana, Divya, Vishal, Pratimesh, Priyanka.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow 1 hour
Okay,
class.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Uh, we will take Saturday, like tomorrow
Yes,
we'll
sir. Yes,
attend,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, Saturday I'll not keep any class. Okay, Saturday
Yeah,
I'll not keep any
tomorrow we'll
class.
attend.
Tomorrow we will have class.
Sir, one
Okay,
doubt.
sir.
Okay, Vishal, yes.
Sir, in Salesforce developer, can you provide the any syllabus, sir? Syllabus. I mean, what are
Yeah,
the topics to cover in this?
yeah, I'll provide it. I'll provide it. In the I think in admin I provided Vishal. Did not provide it.
Sir, I didn't remember, sir. I think.
Yeah, I'll upload in the drive, Vishal. Okay,
Okay, sir.
please
I
have
will
it.
see it.
I think I sent it to Divya. I hope so. Yeah, I'll upload in the drive. Everyone will see.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just course content I've asked you.
Yeah, I sent it to you. I think so. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
personally.
In WhatsApp you sent me, sir. You can
Yeah,
upload
I'll
in
upload
Drive
in
if
the
you.
drive. I'll upload in the drive. Okay.
So these document will be shared in the same Salesforce admin.
Like I created a separate drive for Salesforce development. I'll give you access for that also today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So in this most important concepts are triggers and asynchronous
Asynchronous
programming.
programming, SOQL and
Yeah.
SOSL.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, team. Thank you. Let's meet tomorrow and let's
Yeah.
discuss the basics, each and everything from tomorrow onwards, like data
Yes,
types, like
yes,
for
sir.
each loops, for loops, if else statements. Everyone attend regularly at least 1 hour class. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you, team. Thank you. Bye.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
meet
Thank
tomorrow
you,
and
sir.
let's start. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.